What's going on, y'all? Very excited today. Cranking up my dad's old truck. You know what I mean? We gonna be using this car to get the flip cars. We're gonna put a, little dolly, a tow dolly on the back, and start getting cars and stuff like that. I got a car right here in front of it, but I'll show you all that later on. But what's going on with this is what we think is the starter is out. So I got a bar where I'm finna tap the starter. And yeah, my brother-in-law right here, he gonna crank it as I do that. And we're gonna get this baby cranking, man. You know, so very exciting because we've had, how long have you had this truck, man?
Since 2017.
Oh,
since 2017, it's 2022 now, so we got like 5 years.
Yeah,
it's just been sitting. I've been
maintaining it. Yeah, maintaining it. You know, so
haven't had time to really get in it.
Right. Well, my dad, he passed away, you know, from complications of cancer. You know, sad to say. But he left me and my sister and my brother-in-law this. You know, my brother-in-law's been maintaining it, so you know it's his, but
nah, it's his. It's ours.
It's ours, man.
It's his. You know,
it's ours, man. We gonna be good stewards over this.
To Uncle Jerome,
it's been passed down in the family, man. It's been passed down in the family, so I'm very excited about this. It's very mint condition, you know. So here we go, man. Let's do it. Enough talking. All right, man, so what we got? I'm gonna spray some starter fluid. I got a little starter fluid here. I'm gonna just give it a little bit in the carburetor. Eventually, we're gonna beef up that carburetor from what I see too. So I want y'all to stay tuned on that, man. I want y'all to stay tuned on that. Because this channel has just taken off with this truck. All right, just get it ready, Merv. I'll let you know exactly when. All right, here we go, y'all. Hold on. Oh, yeah. That's the starter. Keep going. Try it. I can hear it. Keep trying. Come on. You see that? Yeah. You see that? When you know what you're talking about, you know what you're talking about. Come on, let's go one more time. Come on. Oh, starter fluid. Hold on. Starter fluid, yeah. Go again, bro. Woo! Go, man. Move it up. Come on.
What's going on, man?
So
Jerome got me up all early wanting to crank this thing. Had to wipe the sleep from my eye. But we're going to go ahead and try to crank this thing right up for you.
Right. And we just put gas in it because as you can see earlier, she wanted to crank up, but we didn't know why she wasn't just firing. So we'll see right now if that was the remedy. So the starter should be working right now because I tapped it loose. But you always want to change that starter out no matter what. Because that is just like putting a Band-Aid on the starter. You just tap it just to get it started, and that's it. You know, I don't know. It's just what we're doing is we have a brand new battery for this car. We don't want this battery to keep getting sucked and drained trying to crank this thing. You know, so we have a jumper that's we're gonna put that on there just to protect the battery and make sure it got enough juice to do its duties. So let me go over here and grab a rag.
Till I find the jumper. Yeah, you can keep everything in one damn place.
Here we are. Okay, moment of truth, you guys. The starter should be working because I tapped it loose. So it should be working right now. Let's see what happens.
You got the spray too?
Oh, let me get the spray. I'm gonna give you the spray right now. All right, let's go. Ooh.
You gotta tap that starter.
The starter went out again. See, the starter went out again. Let me tap it. It's probably gummed up. Wait, stop. Yeah. Go ahead now. Oh! Hold on. Wait. Go now. Oh. Okay. Go again. Oh, that might have been our last chance. Go ahead, bro. Oh, that's our last chance, bro. It need a new starter. I don't want to mess nothing else up. You guys, I think that starter might have finally took a shit. But what we gonna do is we about to get a new one, and this baby gonna crank right up. I remember that starter had been going out. You know. Well, that was attempt 1 on trying to get the beast back started. Hang in there, Hulk.
Attempt 2 is gonna have new oil. It's gonna have an oil change. It's gonna have probably some spark plug change.
Right.
And the starter thrown in there. We're gonna probably do all that since we're gonna be up in there tearing stuff out anyway.
Right.
So that's gonna be the grind.
For now, fellas, get back with us. Like, subscribe, and follow, man. All right, 1.